What's good guys? Check this out. So last video you would have seen me replace the trunk handle on the E46. I forgot to show that it was working after the install, so here it is. Everything working real proper. I also picked up these M-style mirror caps for the car. Obviously I would have loved to throw on some actual M3 mirrors, but I couldn't justify spending 450 US on some mirrors right now, boy. Anyhow, let's get to the exciting part. Check this shit out. I present to you eBay's finest, a 3-inch dual slant outlet muffler with a 2.5-inch single inlet. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, just a cheap muffler I found off of eBay and I want to see what kind of noise this thing will make. Before we install it though, let's get a sound clip of how the car currently sounds. This is the stock exhaust setup with only a decat. Also, leave a comment if you like that James Bond feature where I smoke out my enemies behind me. Just wait until you see what I mean by that. Hopefully this car will get the engine swap it deserves at one point, but for now we're just slowly building it. I was supposed to buy a daily first and then a project car, but you know what do you think this going now, boy? So we are at Ronald's Muffler Shop. Don't judge the man's sign, the man is do proper work. Yeah man, so first things first, he cut the old muffler off of the car. Then he removed the factory brackets off of the old muffler. Went straight ahead to mocking up the new muffler on the car. Position the new muffler along with the brackets. And finally he welded up everything together. Oh yeah, check out the jig too now, the jig bad. Now comes the moment of truth. Either this thing sounds amazing or I just wasted my money on a shiny piece of metal. Alright, so that's everything for me today guys. Hope you all enjoyed the little demo of the James Bond smoke screen as well as the new exhaust setup. Take care.